from the back of the machine, thread it through the thread guide above the cone. I'm going to come around the front of the machine. Just trim the end. Thread through the pre-tensioners from the back to the front, from the back to the front, from the back to the front, and then pop it through that guide, and then like this. This is flossing up. This is flossing up. Now, I've gone the other side of the spring. The spring goes up and down like that. Underneath the stirrup, trim it again. Through the take-up lever, through the pigtail. Now, at this point, what I often do is just feel that tension. Does it feel right? Is it close? Get used to the feel of that tension, because that is what's going to help you in the long run, and it means that you can get very close to the right tension. I mean, say for example, we change from glide to a metallic. You do not want it breaking with the very first stitch you take. If you adjust it a little bit, either looser or tighter, you're going to be close. For glide, I would put a 16 needle in here, and the way the needle is should mean that I have the long groove running down the front. My little tip is take a little bit off the end of the thread, run the thread down the groove, and then it'll pop through the eye. I also put my other hand, the index finger of my left hand, behind the needle. And for whatever reason it is, I think it must be because your hands quite often, through years of practice, will instinctively come together, and that's what we're trying to do. There we go, that's threaded up.